The Vigilant Code 5 command system is based on 5 incident management principles. These principles are the foundation of the incident command system. For the system to be safe and effective, each firefighter operating inside it must thoroughly understand each principle. The 5 principles are unified command, chain of command, unity of command, span of control, and division of labor. Unified command establishes shared incident objectives and a common goal among multiple agencies operating at the same incident. Unified command allows police, fire, and EMS to work cohesively under one incident management system. Each agency operating inside the unified command has its own incident command system. However, these command systems combine to stabilize the incident through the deployment of specific disciplines. Unified command is the incident principle that allows the operation to maintain effective interoperability between multiple agencies. The chain of command is the hierarchy of authority within an organization. This hierarchy defines the series of authoritative ranks from fire chief down to subordinate officers and then firefighters. On the fireground, the chain of command identifies who subordinates answer to and what subordinates are under a supervisor's command. The chain of command establishes a reporting structure in which communications flow up the chain and commands flow down the chain. Unity of command is the incident management principle that states all subordinates operating on the fireground report to a single supervisor. This management principle creates supervisory continuity. Reporting to a single supervisor is critical for maintaining consistent orders, directives, and personnel accountability. Unity of command eliminates the potential for conflicting orders, allowing only one supervisor to direct each subordinate. Subordinates identify the one supervisor they report to by following the chain of command. Span of control is the management principle that identifies the number of subordinates one supervisor can manage effectively. Span of control is a dynamic number. The number of subordinates a single supervisor can effectively manage depends on the environment in which the subordinates are located. If the subordinates are learning about the 5 incident management principles in a classroom, the span of control could be 25-1 or higher. In a classroom setting, one instructor should be able to manage 25 firefighter students. However, putting the subordinates in an atmosphere that is immediately dangerous to life and health, IDLH, and the number of subordinates a supervisor can effectively manage may be as low as 3-1. The span of control is decreased by adding supervisors. These supervisors follow the chain of command and adhere to the unity of command principle. Division of labor is a management principle that eliminates duplication of effort. The division of labor principle maintains task assignments that match the tactic with an appropriate company and assures that each task is assigned only once. This typically means that engine companies are assigned tasks that deal with hose and water, while truck companies are assigned tasks that deal with search and ventilation. Division of labor provides efficiency on the fireground by equally distributing task assignments among all the companies operating at the incident. These incident management principles are the foundational core of the incident command system. When correctly applied and established, they allow the incident commander to maintain control of a safe, effective, and efficient fireground operation.